Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and download this free app from Flarto developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now, as you can see, thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!